word business for a moment. What image immediately comes into the forefront of your mind? What are you looking at in your mind's eye as the definition of the word business in the way of a picture? If you're like most people, you see a person in a suit. Now, here's the question that determines whether you will be successful or not in the near or long-term future. Yep, it's this simple to determine your entire chance of being motivated enough to take all the actions necessary to achieve success. Do you see your best self that would feel truly authentic, your highest self, as being someone ever so comfortable as a suit wearer? If yes, you'll always be motivated to succeed in your business and to take actions and to get up in the day and invigoratedly pick up the phone or do whatever you've got to do. If not, you will always struggle. Your reptilian brain, the deepest of your three evolutionary brains, the oldest one, immediately at the absolute base of all your thoughts and perceptions, tells you, why bother? Because it's not serving you as an opportunity. It's not safe. You wouldn't even be comfortable in the suit. So there's always going to be fears and insecurities forever and ever and ever. That's what the reptilian brain says. Now it leaks into the other layers, and you think it's a belief, it's a fear. I need to get rid of this fear. I need to get rid of this belief. It must be me. I must be faulty. I don't know why. I'm never consistent. I don't do anything. I'm lazy. Can't get off the couch. I can't stop eating. Yet you set up a business. But that's the problem. Stick with me. The problem is you went into business. Okay? Even though you had a dream, we'll get to that in a minute. It's not destiny, though, to fail or struggle if you understand this. You ready? There's a shortcut, ask about, easy, shortcut way to fix this so that you do succeed. And in a way where there's not even a plan, right? It's destiny. Your deepest unconscious definition of you seeing yourself as running a business must entirely be extinguished because it's masculine. And unless you are a suit wearer at your core, right, you will be pushing shit so hard uphill, it can only all come down on top of you in the end. But how do you extinguish this definition when you need to shift the actual entire masculine paradigm imprinting of business being a thing at all? To unpack this so you access your endless motivation and succeed in a way that creates a mind's image so beautiful that your cells dance, we must start at square one. When your cells dance at just the mind's image of your identity being something that's aspirational and true and authentic to you, then when that combines with why you're doing what you're doing and how you then define success. So there's the definition of you, there's the definition of success. And it must all be compatible. You know, you're the hardware. So all the softwares must be made for you. So the absolute first thing you need to understand is that a female brain suit wearer has a testosterone operating system. Whether you're a female or a male, a suit wearer has strength at the top of the body. The chest is out. That's why they have padded shoulders. It's to make you look bigger than you are. Now, this is a masculine, innate, natural, puffing chest out. Women, we're not made this way. So you need to learn your female brain difference first. You need to know yourself. You need to understand yourself. If you don't, you will always struggle. And this is why women will never catch up to men in business. This is why you will see 76% of bums on seats at personal development events where women are trying to be successful in life and business being run by men, and the men always wondering why you aren't just doing what you're meant to be doing. There's always going to be conflict. You don't need to go and learn from men how to be successful in business unless your definition of business and success is the same as theirs at an intrinsic, deep, third brain level, at the crocodile brain level, reptilian brain level, the oldest, that senses. That's how it knows, it senses. It senses if this is threatening to the core of your existence, of you maintaining your very nature, which as a female is to run a cycle, which means is to continue to activate the feminine part of yourself so that you stay whole and complete. Anyway, that is why you need to understand your female brain difference first. Every female who goes to personal development needs to know this first, to know whether any personal development or programs will even fit. Because the writing's on the wall already, more than you realise. So, have a look at the mini course that I've created to teach you the 22 brain differences so that you can recreate and define your success that is the perfect fit. And from there, we'll move on to setting you up so that no matter what you do or want, you won't not be able to succeed. Everything you touch will turn to gold. Metaphorically, of course, as in all results will make you glow in the warmth of a fulfillment that's more valuable than gold itself.